Use voice narration for recording your voice inside Camtasia. Use voice narration if you've already recorded your screen and you want to add your voice to your screen recording. I recommend scripting your narration and practicing it so it sounds natural. When you script, keep it conversational like you're talking to a friend. This way it seems more natural. Scripting lets you use the right words and it makes editing faster. If you don't want to script, use an outline at a minimum so you don't leave anything out. You want to have a microphone connected to your computer. A USB microphone, like the Blue Yeti, lets you easily record directly into your computer without needing any additional equipment. Open the voice narration tool inside Camtasia. Choose your microphone at the top. Open your script. You can copy and paste it into the voice narration tool, or you can just leave it in the application it's in. Begin speaking your script into the microphone to get an idea of how loud or quiet you are. Adjust the audio slider so your voice is registering somewhere between 50 and 75% in the audio indicator. You don't want to see the audio indicator ever get to the maximum, or your audio will be distorted. You also don't want the level too low because it might not capture everything you're saying. Record a 10-second sample and save it. Use over-the-ear headphones to listen for background noise and to make sure it's recording the right microphone. Make any adjustments and record your voice narration. If you make a mistake, just repeat the line you messed up. You can remove mistakes later.